In today's video, I will walk you through how to rejoin a channel after leaving in Telegram. If you accidentally left a Telegram channel, or you left one before and now want to join again, you can usually rejoin it as long as the channel is still available and you have a way to access it. First, open Telegram and go to the search bar. Type the name of the channel you previously left.
If the channel is public, it should appear in the search results. Look for the correct channel and open it. Once you're inside the channel preview, you should see an option to join the channel. Tap or click Join Channel and you'll become a member again. Now, things can be a little different with private channels. Private channels usually don't appear in Telegram's regular search results. If you left a private channel, you'll need a valid invite link to get back in.
So, if you have the original invitation link, open it in Telegram. The channel information will appear, and you can select Join to become a member again. If you don't have the invite link anymore, you'll need to ask an existing member or an administrator of the channel to send you a new invitation link. There's also another situation to keep in mind. If you were removed or banned from a channel, rather than simply leaving it, you may not be able to rejoin using a normal link.
It's a pretty simple process, as long as the channel is still active and you have access to it. And that's how you can rejoin a Telegram channel after leaving.